Well, don't just stand there. Let's go learn more about Champions Academy. Hey y'all, it's Kayla from Scola. Today I'm at Aero Academy Champions in Houston, Texas. You guys ready to learn more? Because I know I am. Let's go! So this is Principal Weatherspoon. Thank you so much for having us today.
Thank you so much for being here.
So we've had so much fun walking around, getting to meet some of your students. So to jump in, can you tell us what is your mission here at Champions Academy?
Well, here at Champions Academy, we're really big on making sure that we produce students who are big in academics as well as being socially responsible students.
That's wonderful. And what are some of the things that you feel like you're doing in class to really implement that in their daily life?
Well, it's not just about the academics, it's about the real world experiences that they can use in their academics and how far they can go beyond the classroom.
I love what you mentioned there, beyond the classroom.
Thank you.
So what would you say are really 3 things that stand out to you and make this school unique?
Well, one of the first things that I think is really unique about Champions is that people may not know that we are a free public charter school, which means that we have no tuition for our students. Everyone comes in for free. We also have an A+ rating with TEA. So what that means is that with our state scores, as far as like testing and things, we rate it really high, which is probably above some of the other local ISDs. So that's another plus for us. And we offer small classes because we are bringing back STEM into our classrooms as well. The small classes make it able for all students to participate and build activities that not only, like I said before, help them academically, but help them beyond the classroom as well. So it kind of pushes their thinking a little bit.
I love that. And I think it is really important, that you have that small class sizes. And it's really fun peeking into those classes and seeing students interact with each other and with the teachers in the classrooms or the TAs. So you also talked a little bit about STEM. So how would you feel like you're incorporating that in the classroom, because it is such a huge growing industry right now?
Yes, well, because it, like you said, it is a growing industry. A lot of our academics build in like hands-on manipulatives, whether it be blocks or building things or creating things with their hands to help them understand their academics a little bit better.
Great, and I love that, I think a lot of people think that STEM is just that science and technology piece, but it's really about the brain moving and thinking and being innovative and creative.
Exactly.
You can do STEM with kindergartners.
Exactly, and they love it when it comes to them even being in art, creating something with math problems, and then they better understand how to add and subtract, and then they see these beautiful pictures that they've created. They don't realize that they're working STEM, and so it kind of helps them a whole lot.
So I'm here with my new friend Hala. She's a kindergartner. So Hala, can you tell me, what is your favorite thing about Champions Academy?
I like to do dances on the morning engagement.
Yeah, can you tell me more about the morning engagement? What do you do there?
We watch videos and stuff like that.
Do you like starting the day with your morning engagement? Does it help you feel encouraged to go about the day? That's great. And do you have a favorite teacher here? Or who's that?
Misty.
Yeah. Do you know what you want to be when you grow up, Hala?
I want to be a principal.
She's so cute.
You want to be a principal, like Principal Darnell? That is so sweet. Well, you have an amazing role model here to guide you. So we just loved peeking into your classroom, especially that adorable kindergarten classroom. So talking about classrooms, what would you say the teaching and learning style is that really goes on here?
Okay, we do offer smaller classes. That means that the kids have a better opportunity for one-on-one with the teachers. We do offer a lot of technology, so most of our work is not just paper and pencil, it's actually on the computer. Especially with here in Texas, our state assessment is moving towards the computer. A lot of the new curriculum and things that we're using in the classroom is also computer-based, and that also prepares them for the state assessment, which is again going to help them in the future because everything in technology is growing. And so they're getting that foundation here in school to again carry them beyond.
That's incredible, and I love that you mentioned that you are doing that technology integration because that's where we're moving, and these kids need to be set up for success, not just as, K through 6 students, but as middle schoolers, as high schoolers, as college students, and then beyond that. So
Exactly.
getting those skills at such a young age, it's just amazing how far they can grow.
Yes, thank you so much.
Well, you guys have a great campus here. I love that indoor gym that you guys have, the 2 stories with the track on the upper level. That is so much fun. And so speaking about the campus, can you tell us about your campus and especially want to hear more about the community that you have?
Well, we're in a great community. We have several great partnerships that we work with. We are a family environment, and so I know and speak to every one of my students, and every single one of their parents knows me. We communicate on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. We are off of the main street in North Houston, and so we are very convenient to all of the surrounding areas. We're near major freeways, so it's easy for people to get to us, and it's great.
I love that. And I love what you mentioned about you personally know these students and you personally know these parents, because I think that's really what education is all about. It's not just about the student and their academics, it's about their full family,
Right.
and their educational experience.
Right.
So how do you feel like your personal relationship with these students and with their families has played into their educational success?
Well, it's about relationship, like you said. When you build that relationship and that trust between yourself and the students and yourself and the parents, that tends to grow. They feel comfortable sending their kids here. I feel comfortable with them coming on to volunteer, to do different things. And so we tend to just kind of build each other up and help each other out in several ways, not just on the academic level.
That's amazing. And I know we talked to that little kindergartner, Hala, who wanted to be a principal when she grew up. So I just think that also speaks volume to your community
Yeah.
and the culture that you're creating here.
Absolutely.
That, your role as a principal is something that she's building up students, and she can see herself in the future doing that because she loves to see what you're doing every single day. And that just
Absolutely.
speaks volumes about your culture.
Absolutely. I tend to allow students to build on and grow into the positions that they want to be in the future. So we discuss that a lot, even as you can see with our kindergartners, so that they know that there's something more after high school that they can do, and the opportunities are endless for them.
Exactly. That's beautiful.
Great.
So we're here in the gym at Champions Academy. I'm with Sydney. She's a 5th grader. So Sydney, what's your favorite class?
Math class.
What do you like about math?
I like about math because I like when I multiply fraction.
Yeah, that's pretty difficult. Good job on that. And what would you say is your favorite thing about Champions? And I know that you only have one more year here because you're a 5th grader. But then once you go into middle school in 7th grade, what are you most excited about?
I can meet new people and learn some more things that I never heard about.
Yeah, that'll be great. And what would you say is your favorite activity?
My favorite activity is track.
Yeah, well, we're on the track right now, up on the upper level of the gym. So what's your favorite event in track?
My favorite event in track is like 100 meters, 200 meters, and 4x4.
Awesome. Maybe we'll have to race later, see who wins. And finally, for families who might be interested in enrolling their children at Champions Academy, where can they go to find more information?
They can actually go directly to our website at arrowacademy.org. They're more than welcome to call into the schools. We do tours all day. Every day is whenever they want to come in, and I am more than welcome to personally take them on a tour, show them our amazing classrooms, and just the type of environment that is very accommodating to them.
Well, perfect. You can also learn more information on schoola.com. Thank you again so much for having us.
Thank you so much for being here.
And that concludes our visit today at Champions Academy. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video.